Hi to all my friends, and today I want to show you this Milwaukee coil roofing nailer. This is the newest model and it's really well balanced. I like this grip. I will show you the difference between technology, DeWalt and Milwaukee, which leads to a different user experience with these two nailers. And I will test, is it really as fast as manufacturer claims. Milwaukee operates on air nitrogen spring technology, resulting in quieter operation without the sound of spinning rotor. And reload time is instant. So let's better check it in action, and let's start with DeWalt. I can feel this rotor inside. And now Milwaukee. No sound at all. I forgot to show you, there is a switch, safety switch, on position. When it's green, it's on. And there is mode. Single action and automatic. Let's try automatic one and you will see the speed of it. No sound when I press it. And no sound after. It's incredibly fast. You definitely should try it by yourself. Yes, to be honest, this model is the freshest model on the market. And DeWalt is like years on the market, so you can see the difference.